In this video we will talk about Redmi 13C camera test. We will talk about zoom, video, timelapse and more. So let's start it. First up, we will see here the timelapse mode. We have 1x and 2x, as you can see here. Let's make a demonstration. Let's play it. Let's stop it, and right now let's visualize it. This is the result. Right now we will go into the video tab. Again, we have 1x and 2x. Here on time frame we have 720 and 1080 at 30 megabytes per second. We have here the photo tab, where again we have 1x and 2x. We have some features here, some filters. We can play with it. We can actually we have HDR. We have the light here, the flash. Let's see what we have here. We have tilt shift, macro, aspect ratio, guidelines if you want to make good photos. And so let's back. Right now let's go to the portrait mode. Here we can add some blur if we increase the diaphragm. As you can see, the diaphragm it's up to 16, as you can see here. And next we will talk about, wait a second please, about night mode. It's good, as you can see. And the last piece is 50 megapixel camera. As you can see here, if I want to make a photo with 1x, I will choose the normal filter, and let's make a photo with this camera. Let's focalize correctly. Right now this is with 1x and this is with 2x. As you can see, here is the result. This is the first photo with 2x, and this is the second photo with 1x. I think that is qualitative photo here, and the phone for this price it offers a good camera. So that's it guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.